way to do turf is to put a nice weed fabric down. This will go down after we clear the dirt. This is going to go down. This obviously keeps the weeds from growing through. Here's a second roll of turf. This is gravel. We like number 8. It's smaller, it compacts better. Each one of these bags is 2,000 pounds, so we're going to put 10,000 pounds of stone in the backyard. Nice and neat. That way we're not getting stuff all over the job site. We like to have it in bags. It comes out cleaner. That way we can stage the job really nice. This is going to be a 1,000 square foot job, and it's going to take 3 working days. This is a battery powered wheelbarrow. This is probably about $8,000. But when we started doing turf with regular wheelbarrows, people got hurt, especially their back. Another piece of equipment that is really important to this job to do it safely